Today we're going to be swatching all the images on the brand new H la Cosedora StampingVersary 3 plate. This is the beautiful design on the back of the plate. Each plate has a unique serial number, and these are all the beautiful images. The Limited Edition StampingVersary 3 plate bundle is now available. You can purchase any 2 stamping plates and you'll receive the StampingVersary 3 plate free, as well as free shipping to US and Canada. Available starting April 14th through April 17th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As part of the H team, I was assigned an affiliate link, which I'll share in the description box below, as well as a discount code, Jenny10, which you can use on your purchase at hlacosedora.com. I want to use a larger stamper to pick up more images at once. Part of the image didn't transfer because I took too long to stamp it onto the paper. And this is what happens when I don't scrape enough polish off of the plate. And that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the swatches of these beautiful images on the H la Cosedora StampingVersary 3 plate. Since it's a limited edition plate, it will only be available between April 14th and April 17th. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!